Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we'll bring you the fourth installment of our Wing Chun, Chin Na Chi Sao chokes and throws. It is a great way to improve your Wing Chun skills, starting to combine some grappling and some Chin Na, and really improving your Chi Sao skills. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.